Q5336, which would increase the stability of an air mass. A. Warming from below. B. Cooling from below. C. Decrease in water vapor. The correct answer is B. Cooling from below stabilizes air mass. Warming from below destabilizes it. Decreased water vapor indirectly affects stability by reducing condensation and cloud formation. 5334. From which measurement of the atmosphere can stability be determined? A. Atmospheric pressure. B. The ambient lapse rates. C. The dry adiabatic lapse rate. The correct answer is B. Ambient lapse rate determines atmospheric stability. Stable air has a slower temperature decrease than the dry adiabatic lapse rate, while unstable air cools faster. Radiosondes and soundings help measure and analyze the lapse rate. Atmospheric stability affects weather patterns, with stable air less prone to thunderstorms. 5330. What determines the structure or type of clouds which will form as a result of air being forced to ascend? A. The method by which the air is lifted. B. The stability of the air before lifting occurs. C. The relative humidity of the air after lifting occurs. The correct answer is B. The stability of the air before lifting occurs determines the structure or type of clouds that will form as a result of air being forced to ascend. Stable air will form clouds with little vertical development. This is because the air is reluctant to rise and will instead spread out horizontally. Clouds that form in stable air are typically low-level clouds, such as stratus and stratocumulus. Unstable air will form clouds with extensive vertical development. This is because the air is eager to rise and will quickly cool and condense as it does so. Clouds that form in unstable air are typically high-level clouds, such as cumulus and cumulonimbus. The method by which the air is lifted and the relative humidity of the air after lifting occur can also affect the structure or type of clouds that form. However, the stability of the air before lifting is the most important factor. 5340. The formation of either predominantly stratiform or predominantly cumuliform clouds is dependent upon the A. Source of lift. B. Stability of the air being lifted. C. Temperature of the air being lifted. The correct answer is B. Stratiform clouds form in stable atmospheres, while cumulonimbus clouds form in unstable atmospheres. Stable air limits vertical cloud development, while unstable air allows clouds to grow vertically. Stability is determined by the rate of temperature decrease with height. 5327. When conditionally unstable air with high moisture content and very warm surface temperature is forecast, one can expect what type of weather? A. Strong updrafts and clouds. B. Restricted visibility near the surface over a large area. C. Strong updrafts and cumulonimbus clouds. The correct answer is C. Conditionally unstable air can lead to strong updrafts and cumulonimbus clouds, which can produce severe weather. Stay indoors, wear appropriate clothing, and be prepared to take shelter based on the forecast.